Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Thelma here of Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Today I have for you another Dollar Tree haul. It's Christmas and it's episode 3 in my I Love Winter Christmas series. So without further ado, let's get started. First I want to show you these little gift boxes. They're round and they have little rope ties on top, little bows. And this one is beige with peace, cheer, Christmas joy, all is bright. And see this, the season, going all the way around it, little ornaments and snowflakes. And then this one is the same type, but it is light blue with snowflakes going all the way around it. And it has a little bow tie on top of it too. It looks like real thin blue and white striped. Real beautiful. And I picked up some of their ribbon. It comes in several different colors. This one right here is new, and it's got candy canes and little round candy canes going on it. There's some that's with white with snowflakes. Merry Christmas and joy and love and peace going around some of them. And the snowflake one, it just has different snowflakes going all the way around it. And those are the ones that I picked out that I've seen that I'd never seen there before. And then I picked up 4 rows of ribbon. This one, and whoops, I'm just dropping everything today. This goat over here and this one are 2 different kinds that they have this year. This one is more crinkled, and this one is clear with little glitter designs going through it, little swirls, and they're both the wire 9 foot. It's wire edge ribbon 9 foot. And then the other 2 ribbons that I picked up are poinsettia. This one is red with gold trim and with white trimmed poinsettias on it. And this one is white with red poinsettias, and it says Merry Christmas going around it. Right there's Merry Christmas. Now I had to pick this up because it's like a topiary snowman, and you can use these as is, or you can glue them like this and have a more elegant high-end look design going on, or you can take everything off and redo it and use these here, the face and the buttons, to go on something else. I'm going to be doing a DIY here next week with this one, so stay tuned, be on the lookout for it. And this one is a snowman cup. The straw is swirls, it goes around, and I love the way it has little snowflakes going all through it with the snowman. He's holding a candy cane, and a little bird is resting on his other glove. And the lid opens. Let me see, it's either this way. You open it up when you want a drink, and when you're finished, you just close it. So it's virtually spill proof unless you drop it while you're taking a drink. That would be me. Okay, and I picked up this coffee mug. This is a new one. They have several other new ones in this series, the ones that's in the box there. This is white with different types of blue snowflakes and designs going all the way around it. It really matches this. So that's why I got it. I seen that and I remembered I seen this, so I ran back and I grabbed it because it was the only one that they had there. I picked up a thing of this fox snow. It's really just like snow glitter. And I'm going to use this on a DIY. Really, if you have those pumpkins left over from Halloween, the trick-or-treat ones, where it's just a round pumpkin with the handle, you can paint those white and then put some Mod Podge on it after it's dried and put this on it while the Mod Podge is wet, and use the face off of the bigger snowman, the ones that they get about that big around, and have yourself a big snowman head, or put another one under it and you have a snowman body. And then I picked up this LED glitter ornament. It's real pretty as is. See all the glitter going around, but if you twist this, it changes colors. Look at that. And it's pretty fast. Kind of reminds me of one of them disco strobe lights. Remember them? But that's beautiful. And then when you want to turn it off, you just twist the top. And I picked up, when I seen these, I had to have them. These is the oven mint. It says, gnome for the holidays. And there's 3 gnomes there. And then there's this one. It's the pot holders, gnome for the holidays. And the 3 gnomes on both of them. And they were out of the towels, the hand towels. So I have something to look forward to when I go back up there to look for, and hopefully they got some more in. And I picked up some of this garland, 15 foot. It's pretty good quality. There's how thick it is. And I picked up 2 of them, I believe. And then this is the wired garland ties. They're good for, like an example here on the little picture. See how it ties here? Making the loop there, going down a stairway. But you can use these on your crafts, cut them in pieces, and put your little pine cones and berries there, and add that too, and it really doctors up a little bare spot in something that you're making. And I picked up 2 of these yard signs, the snowman and the Santa, but I'm not going to use them as outdoor. I'm going to do something with them on the inside, and this will be coming either next week or the week after. I'm going to be doing something with these 2 beauties. But my favorite is this. I've never seen this before, so it's new to me at least. Ho Ho Ho, and everything white on it is in glitter, and he's just darling the way he is. You don't need to change anything unless there's something more glitter you want to put on, or you want to paint it. You can flip it over and create your own Santa on the back. There's that other garland that I said I thought I bought. It was hiding over here under something. And this was the only one they had, so I don't know. It just says Christmas tree. It's about 10 inches tall, and it's real hard. When you go down like this, it keeps its shape, and it's silver. And they said that they came in different sizes, and I'm on the lookout if I see some more, I'll get them and show y'all here so you know the different sizes and colors that they get in. And I picked up this tinsel garland. It's 9 foot. It's blue and white, and it has little white snowflakes going through it. And it's real pretty. I mean, it's full, and it look great going above your going around your window or your Christmas tree, above a door, on the headboard of your bed. Like if you want to do your kids' room and put it on the headboard of their bed. And then I picked up another one, green with little candy canes on them. They're real beautiful. These have more of the candy canes on it than the other one had, the snowflakes. It goes every inch there's a candy cane. And I picked up a bunch of these berries. Here's a berry, and let me go ahead and get the berries out. These are called branches, but I call them berries because that's what they are, is berries. There. And you get a lot on it. That's all on one. There's like 1, 2, 3, 5 stems here coming off this. And then they have the glitter branch in silver and red. That's the only two that I've seen them at my store. They have them in the silver and the red. And these you can pull apart. You can snip them off and add them to your to a craft that you're doing. They can be short. You can add them on wreaths. These are good to be used on a lot of things. Or you can put a bundle of them together and put them in a little vase and put some snow on the bottom, and you'll have a nice little tree. And that's the red ones. And then here's some of the, they say berries on it, and these only have like 4, but they're pretty big. And these are good to use on different things besides making a flower arrangement. And then there's holly bouquet. There's hollies and pine cones and greenery, little green on them. And I picked up 2 of them. I'll be making something using these out of. And this is the last Christmas, is this little sleigh here. It's plastic, and it says Merry Christmas on one side. And then I picked up a bunch of these little Disney, these are Disney characters. And let me show you. This is a Disney right there. And that's all it says in it. This one is from Winnie the Pooh. I think these are those little, I call them stress squeezies. You know, you squeeze them. And here's, looks like Pluto. And another one from Winnie the Pooh. Oh, and here's Tigger. I know this one. Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. And here's Dumbo the elephant. And here's Winnie the Pooh. Here's Minnie Mouse. Got her little tail right there on it. And here is wait a minute, that was Mickey Mouse. I'm sorry, Mickey Mouse. And here's Minnie Mouse. And then here's this. I don't remember who this is, but it's a cartoon character. I remember the grandkids watching it. And that's it on them. And now I have a little bit of non-Christmas. But it's going to be used, a lot of it's going to be used for Christmas. Like these two arrows. I'm going to use these to make a Christmas display. Got this out of the crafter section. And there's these two floral foams. The one. And then this one here has 4 in it for the smaller projects that you're doing. I picked up some more of these Crafter Square glue sticks. They come 20 in a pack. You can't beat, and these are the small ones. You can't beat that for $1. And these ink R2 roller, precise writing, comfort grip, 2 roller ball pens. One's in blue. And then this one is one's in blue and one's in black. And the last 2 things, I had to pick up these low cut size 5 to 9 little socks. This is a penguin. Look how cute that is. And it says warm wishes on it. And then there's the hat. It's a fleece lined. And these the sizes can, I bought one before, but I gave it to my granddaughter, so they fit her, and they stretch enough to fit an adult too. Alright, well that's it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. It really helps my channel grow. And subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss any future videos. And leave a comment. And by doing all 3, you will be entered into the contest to win 6 scarecrows, new with tag. They're 10 inches tall and 12 inches tall. Alright, that's it for today. I hope y'all have a happy and safe day. Until next time.